The Sanborn Santa Monica might be one of the most beautiful hotels in Santa Monica, but despite everything I loved about this property, there were two service issues that were big enough that I probably would not stay here again. Let's start with the good parts. First, the location is fantastic. The Sandbourne sits on Ocean Avenue, basically across from Santa Monica Beach and just a short walk from the Santa Monica Pier. You can walk to Muscle Beach, restaurants, shopping, and many of the places you're probably coming to Santa Monica to see in the first place. And before I get to what annoyed me, what really impressed me when I arrived was the design of the hotel. The Sandbourne is part of Marriott's Autograph Collection, and it definitely doesn't feel like a generic Marriott. The lobby is gorgeous. There's this modern California coastal aesthetic throughout the property with natural colors, warm wood, artwork, ceramics, and lots of different indoor and outdoor spaces. The hotel also has this multi-level California resort feel. As you walk around, you keep discovering different seating areas, terraces, and outdoor spaces. It feels upscale without feeling overly formal or stuffy. And the rooms continue that same aesthetic. They're clean, modern, and surprisingly generous in size for a beachfront hotel in Santa Monica. We stayed in King Terrace rooms, and these were definitely one of the highlights of the property. The rooms themselves have a clean, modern beach aesthetic with a king bed and plenty of space. But the real standout is the private outdoor terrace. And when I say terrace, I don't mean one of those tiny hotel balconies where you can barely squeeze in two chairs. These terraces are huge. There's enough room to actually spend time outside, relax, have a drink, and enjoy the Southern California weather. It almost feels like you're getting an additional outdoor room attached to your hotel room. Depending on where your room is located, you can also get some really beautiful views. For Santa Monica, where you're paying a premium for location and outdoor space, the terrace definitely made the room feel more luxurious. The hotel also has an outdoor heated pool, fitness center, beach cruisers, and beach chairs and umbrellas available for guests. So it really leans into that Southern California beach experience. Dining was another positive. The main restaurant is Morel, which serves California cuisine with Mediterranean influences, and there is also food and drink service around the pool. We had excellent service at both. The restaurant and pool staff were friendly and attentive, and overall, those experiences were very good. Unfortunately, that made what happened at the front desk even more frustrating, because now we need to talk about the biggest problem with our stay. Our rooms were not ready at check-in, and I'm not talking about 15 or 20 minutes. We were waiting more than 2 hours past check-in time. Normally, I can be somewhat understanding about a late room. Hotels get busy, housekeeping falls behind, things happen, but our situation was different. We were hosting a private event at this hotel that evening. So not only were we paying to stay here, we were spending additional money to hold an event on the property, and our guests needed their rooms so they could get dressed and get ready for that event. Instead, the event was literally starting while some of our guests were still waiting for their room keys. Some people had to get ready in the lobby bathroom. That is simply not acceptable at a hotel at this level. And what bothered me almost as much as the delay was the response from the front desk. There seemed to be very little empathy or urgency about what was happening. If a hotel knows that a group is holding an event on the property that evening, having multiple rooms unavailable until around 6 p.m. creates a very obvious problem. I cannot check into my hotel room at 6 p.m. when the event I'm attending, or in this case hosting, is already happening. The second issue happened at the pool. There were no towels. And this wasn't just one moment where the towel rack happened to be empty. People were standing around waiting for towels, and it seemed like the hotel simply couldn't wash and replenish them quickly enough. On its own, the towel situation probably wouldn't stop me from returning. It's annoying but relatively minor. But getting your room 2 hours after check-in time is unacceptable. More importantly, if something does go wrong, I expect the front desk to recognize the problem and make a real effort to fix it. Nicely designed property, but I will not be staying here again.